Oh, nice. We're having a company picnic on Saturday. Spouses are welcome. What is a spouse? Hello, and hello. My name is Tino Trevor. Welcome to the English Experience. Today's word is spouse. Spouse is a gender-free word used to refer to a husband, wife, or significant other. For example, you and your spouse are more than welcome to join us for dinner. My spouse is out of town and won't be joining us. These days, it is common for both spouses to work. The word spouse is especially useful if you do not know the gender of someone's significant other. Synonyms for spouse include consort, mate, partner, or better half. As in, my better half is out of town and will not be joining us for dinner. Until next time, cheers, peace out.